Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mrs. RQ, ready to deliver another awesome video for you guys. Before I go ahead, I just want to say make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're new, or if you already haven't done so in the past. Guys, make sure you support your girl by subscribing. Okay, let's get right into it. Today I have bought this particular item that I'm featuring in our makeup tutorial today about like 3 weeks ago, and I just couldn't get myself to do a recording because guys, I started working about 3 weeks ago, and so I've been like trying to fit my schedule together, and it's been kind of chaotic. Anyway, so I'm glad I'm able to do a recording today so I can feature this awesome new palette that I got, and I'm so excited to feature this particular item because it's by somebody that I super admire in the makeup and YouTube industry, and she's a big influencer, and I went out and bought it with my own money, of course, and so in order to support her, and we'll get into all that details later. So guys, let's get right into it. So today's video, I'm going to be actually just doing mostly freestyle because I don't have anything in particular. And by the way guys, my face is super bare right now. There is nothing on it. I just washed it. No serum, no cream, no nothing. It's just bare. And it's, let me get you guys a close-up. Yep. And I'm so excited because my skin has been gotten so better, guys. So that's another good thing why I'm able to be up here with no makeup on or nothing on my skin and still look presentable. And also just ignore this disrespectful pimple that just popped up here overnight. Like seriously, literally overnight. Anyways, let's move forward. Before we get started, go ahead and actually apply some moisturizers and serums and stuff to my face to get my face moisturize before we move forward. So like if you're trying to achieve a matte finish look, still make sure you moisturize your face really well because you don't want your face super dead under your makeup. You can use certain primers like oil control primers or whatever if you're trying to do like a matte finish makeup. Take care of your skin, guys. Take care of your skin. It's so important. So now that we've gone ahead and do that, I am gonna go ahead and move forward with my eyebrows. Okay guys, I went ahead and finished up my eyebrows off camera. Let's move forward. All right, so now we're gonna get into the makeup itself. And before I go forward and reveal what item I will be featuring, you probably already know that by the title of this video. I apologize. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my face, and I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And now that I've applied that all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and start with kind of color correcting in certain areas, especially like around my mouth. Move forward. I probably look crazy right now, but don't worry. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I fixed all of that. Everything's gonna cut together at the end of it all. Okay guys, let's go forward. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. Today's foundation that I will be using is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, and it looks like this in the color Deep Spice A19. Spray, and then go ahead and blend. Now that I've went ahead and applied my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and contour. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply under my eye, and I'm gonna blend out. Blend, blend, blend. Okay guys, I went ahead and blend that out, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cream kit. Now that I've went ahead and applied my contour and my, I'm gonna blend everything out, okay? And now I'm just applying concealer to my nose area to highlight the middle part of my nose. Okay, now that I've went ahead and blend everything out, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my concealer. I'm gonna set with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the color Honey. Just bake right on the eye. I'm gonna let that sit there. What I'm gonna do is set the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier's setting translucent setting powder in the color Medium Deep. I'm gonna leave that setting powder underneath our eyes while we go and forward and do our shadow look. Dun, 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 dun. Here comes the featured palette that I've been talking about since the beginning of this video, that you probably already know or have an idea about based on the title of this video. And it is my, of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills by Jackie Aina. And I am so excited because I love Jackie, Auntie Jackie. She is one of my favorite beauty guru on YouTube out there in the beauty industry, and I am so excited that I finally went out to support my auntie by purchasing this awesome palette. Guys, look at it, it's so pretty. Of course, this was the box that it came in with, and I got this from Ulta. I just want you to get a close look. Lighting, behave yourself, respect Auntie Jackie's palette. Okay guys, that is what the palette looks like, and it's so pretty, it's so classy, it looks so expensive. I'm going to freestyle on Auntie Jackie's palette and see what we come up with. I'm super excited again to, you know, have this palette in my collection and for Auntie Jackie. Congrats again. I know I'm like 30 years late, but it's better late than never. Okay guys, you want to make sure that you support your girl Aunt Jackie out there. All right guys, let's go ahead and see what we're gonna do now. Before I go ahead and start my shadow look, I am going to apply my concealer over my eyelids, okay, just to prime that area. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with edges right here. This is edges, and it's like a orange red color. I'm not even sure, it's just really burnt orange color, and that's what we're gonna start with. Seriously, I am in love. All right, Auntie Jackie. Guys, this is so pretty. Do you see that? Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's just really nice. It looks like a good, like a nice blush color too, guys. Okay, right on top of that, we're gonna go ahead and apply ginger. Okay, let's do it. This is what ginger looks like. It's like a lighter, more orange color. It is a more natural brown color. And we're gonna see what we want to do here when we cut crease. Okay, let's cut that crease, girl. Alright guys, so I went ahead and cut my crease, and I'm super excited to see what glitter color we're gonna apply on that. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm excited. So let's find out. I think I want to do Biggies with this. It's probably closer to what we have going on right now. Let's just go right in that, okay? Who's excited? Who's excited to see how this turns out? I know I am. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay. Y'all, that is cute. Y'all, Auntie Jackie did not come here to play. She ain't here to play with y'all. She about to knock my wig out with this color. That sounds probably corny joke, but y'all, I'm telling you, this is so pretty. Do you see that? Let's just move forward. Oh, I'm saying damn, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm not playing with Auntie Jackie. She's definitely not playing with us. She just, I mean, out here feeling like I need to put on some nice outfit and some bomb heels. And they know where to go because it's Monday. like, but seriously, y'all, she's not playing. Let's finish up the rest of her face. Now come right back and show y'all what all of this looks like. Okay guys, I'm back. I went off camera. I am pretty much applying my eyeliner, finish up the rest of my face, and you can see that glow. Yes. Okay, and this is pretty much it of what I'm gonna do now, because it's all about the eyes today, guys. It's all about the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and also show you guys how I apply my lash. That's a request made by one of my other awesome friend / follower down at my last video, when I asked everybody what they would like for me to do on this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and as well show you how I apply my lash. Now I'm gonna be using one of my older lashes by Kiss. You guys have seen me apply this before, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Okay, and I had and apply my liner so it's easier for me to place my lash. So let's go ahead and take that first one. I think it's about 30 seconds already, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it to right directly on top of my eyelash, my regular eyelash. I'm gonna start with my the middle area, and you're just gonna hold that in for a few seconds, and then just gonna work your way out. Also hold that in place for a few seconds, and then go in the inner area and hold that in also for another few seconds. And that's that, guys. See, very easy, very straightforward. You want to make sure also that you have some type of handheld mirror. I like to use this mirror because I can move it any way I need to, and so I just place it right on top of my lap, and I look downward so I can see where I'm applying my lash, if that makes any sense. You don't want to be looking directly because you're not going to be able to see where you're applying your lash. You want to make sure that you do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay guys, looks awesome. I hope that was pretty straightforward. If anything, I will make sure I do another tutorial for you guys. If this wasn't straightforward enough, I don't mind going over that again in another video. So again, to just blend everything out with your lash, I like to apply my mascara after I apply my falsies to give a better blend. And I'm using my mascara by Milk. And bam, that's that. If you want to get a closer look at the finishing look. Okay, and now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lip gloss by Fenty, my favorite lip gloss ever. I almost want to apply a lipstick, but I'm not going anywhere. It's all about the eyes today, not the lips. All about the eyes. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope that you go out and get you the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette by Jackie Aina. You will not regret this. Getting this palette, it's like, even if this is like one of the only palette that you own in your makeup collection, You could do so many looks with this. Be fun. This is a fun little palette. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this eye look, and I hope you got down the eyelash application down pack with this video. I hope this really helps you guys out. Also, if you have any other question or any comment, make sure you leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you press that thumbs up button and like and share this video. Don't forget to tune in on my next video. I love you guys, and bye.